Black Crypto Network.
Hey, this is a black man that gives a damn, and you're tuned in to the Black Crypto Network. In this video, we're going to do a quick tutorial. I'm going to show you basically something that has been asked of me a gazillion times over the last 5 years, as I've been putting out a lot of cryptocurrency content over the last 5 years. Not here, but the links below. You can check out my IG. You can see what I've been doing. I've been telling black folks for the longest to get into cryptocurrency and to begin to do the research that's needed to make sound and intelligent investments. And so anyways, before we get started, let's go ahead and hit the disclaimer.
Our content is solely for educational and informational purposes based on the personal experiences of the content creator, and in no way, shape, or form are we providing you with legal or professional financial advice, investing advice, or business advice. We are not liable for any financial, social, or moral losses incurred as a result of the application of information or instructions provided in our content. Additionally, we do not own or purport to own any third-party resources, content, copyrighted material, or trademark material used in the making of our content.
All right, so we're back. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about, I'm going to show you the answer to the simplest question I always get, because I put out a lot of cryptocurrency. I've shared a lot of different cryptocurrency projects over the years, and I always get one question: how do I invest into that particular cryptocurrency? All right, well, I'm going to quickly show you. And look here, if someone ever asks you the same question, hey, how do I invest in that crypto? I want you to forward them this video, because it's going to be short and sweet, but it's going to be very informative, jam-packed, for them to kind of get the message, get the memo on how to do it. Because here's the key: we don't want any lazy investors. We want investors. We want to build black. Again, we're black first on this channel, or on this network rather. And so we want to build black intelligent investors, black investors that do research. They know how to move their chips, their capital, and make sound investments. Okay. Not a lot of the pump and dump, gamble, Robinhood type of stuff. We're not interested in that. If you're doing that, this is not the platform for you. Now, with that said, first, let me start by saying we're going to open up our crypto Bible. Now, crypto Bible is a term that, pretty much we use over here. This is not a term that's across the crypto industry or across like crypto YouTube. But basically what we mean here is just basically cryptocurrency tracking software that is utilized for price, news, and other cryptocurrency related information for reference. Okay, so this is something that I look at every day. I open this Bible up every day, and it's called coinmarketcap.com. I've been doing it every day for the last 5 years. Going back to 2016. And so with that said, some others on the market, just so that you're aware. CoinGecko. This is another one. A lot of people use CoinGecko. Another one would be CoinCodex. This is another one. I use CoinCodex in combination with CoinMarketCap, and I use CoinGecko as well, but primarily I use CoinMarketCap. And also I use Coin360. Now, there's other resources that I put together. I have a whole, I think it's north of 15 pages of just resources, things that I've used that has helped me become a successful cryptocurrency investor for my family over the last 5 years. And so if you're interested in getting those resources, join our tribe. It's called the Crypto Trap House. The link is below, and it comes with more than just the cryptocurrency welcome guide. That's what I was referencing. But there's other things as well. You get to engage with somebody like myself who's been in crypto for over 5 years or so. And when I say in crypto, I've been in crypto every day. I'm not 1 to 3 hours a day, every day. For the last 5 years. That's just what it is. I'm not talking about somebody that left during the bear market or whatever. I'm talking about in crypto. I have several different income streams within crypto, and so it's a beautiful thing. And I want to, like I said, help other black folks, explore the world of crypto. That's the whole purpose of why we are starting this network here. And so that's why you're watching this, hopefully. And so with that said, let's go ahead and dive right into the content. I'm not going to take up your time any further. And so how do I invest into a particular crypto? Well, let's use one of my favorite ones, which is Chainlink. All right. So everybody knows I like Chainlink. What's Chainlink at? It's number 16 right now on coinmarketcap.com. And so in full disclosure, we got in Chainlink at 20 cents. Okay, and it's at $25. So we've got above and beyond 100x on that, and I think it did get to a 200x. And we're riding strong. We've taken small profits here and there, but we're riding it strong. But anyways, this is not about me. This is about showing you how you can find out how you can invest into a cryptocurrency. And so with that said, let me take myself off the screen. All right, and so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar. You're going to type in the cryptocurrency, either in full name or by the abbreviation. In this case, Chainlink is the full name, or the abbreviation is Link. All right, you're going to click it. Okay, it's going to take you to its page. So this is a very informative page. You can see it's got a lot of stuff: websites, chats, communities, codes, white paper. That's very important. You understand and learn what a white paper is and how to use it if you're not familiar. But in this video, we're just going to stick to how to buy it. So if you just want to know how to buy it, just scroll down to where it says market, click market. Okay, and then underneath the source column is the different exchanges. There you go: Binance, Coinbase Exchange, FTX, all KuCoin, all sorts of different exchanges. If you're interested in learning about the exchanges that we use, that we trust, the things that how we operate, how we move and shake. Again, check out the cryptotraphouse.com. Again, the cryptotraphouse.com, link below. Again, I've compiled all the resources that will help you be an amazing cryptocurrency investor. So with that said, this is it. These are the exchanges. They also have the pairs. And so this is what you would use to get, to swap out for Link. So you use USDT right there, or, Bitcoin right here, or what have you. And so you can scroll through. They also have this thing like confidence, and it kind of gives you some, it tells you basically on a level between low, moderate, and high. In terms of the confidence of the exchange itself. So this is how coinmarketcap.com rates it. And so you can check that out, so just, that's a kind of like a reassurance, a quality assurance piece for you. Also, you can see things like the volume and stuff like that. And then obviously the prices and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it. Let's take another look. Let's just do another quick example. So let's do another cryptocurrency we're invested in that we like, and I really like. I think it has a lot of potential over the next several years, especially on the enterprise front. Unibright. Oh my God. Unibright is at $3.18. Oh my God. Wow. Our first entry, I think, was at 9 cents. My average, I believe, is at 20 cents. And we loaded up on Unibright. Oh my goodness. But again, this isn't about me. How do you buy Unibright? You will go to market, and voila, there it is. Uniswap, Bittrex, IDEX, Bancor, all sorts of different places. And, use the confidence, tells you what type of things, what type of pairs you can trade with. And there you go. There's the different prices, all that good stuff. So that's it. Send somebody this video, help them out, show them how it's done. It's very simple. You don't have to ask me anymore. I'm going to continue to post stuff on my, my Instagram page. So definitely check that out. Link below. We're going to post stuff on the Black Crypto Network's Instagram page, of course. And also we have a Twitter. So definitely follow us and subscribe to this channel if you haven't. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me come back on screen just so you can see your boy one more time. All right. So hopefully this is a great video. This is literally the first video I wanted to put up because this is this literally answers the most common question I've received over the last 5 years. Everyone always asks, how do I get that cryptocurrency? How can I buy? I've been sharing Unibright since it was around, I think like 3 cents, 5 cents, something like that. Maybe a little less than that, maybe a little more than that. It might've been like around like 9 cents. And everyone asks, hey, how do you get Unibright? Well, this is how you do it. It's very simple. Now, one other thing too, this is not financial advice that we already stated, but also I want you to understand that don't just go don't go buy cryptocurrencies because somebody like myself is sharing it, or another crypto, YouTuber or influencer or whoever is sharing it. Don't just do that. Do your own research. Dior. That's what I like to say. I'm gonna leave it there. Do your own research. You can start by doing things like checking out the white paper, checking out the website and all that type of stuff. We'll break down. I'll do a research video. And also how I evaluate cryptocurrencies. I'll do a video like that. So definitely subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned. We got a lot of news, information, tutorials, market trends. We're going to be covering a lot of different stuff on this channel, on this network. If you want to hear more commentary from me, going over to the Black Crypto channel. All right. And that's where I give it to you raw. I give you my commentary in regards to all sorts of stuff that's going on in the crypto space, things I've learned, my regrets, some of my biggest plays, my biggest wins, just everything. I'm going to give you, unfiltered. So if you know me, I have a tongue. I can pause. I can I can really get to it. So I'm very direct. But with that said, if you don't want to check that out, just stay on this network right here. Stay on the Black Crypto Network. It's been a great video. I'll see you another one. Peace.
Thank you for tuning in. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for notifications. Also, don't forget to check out the information and links below and follow us on social media.
To own something is very important. To understand investment, to understand living within your means or under your means, to understand how to make something. That's the direction we walking toward, is becoming wealthy. Cryptocurrency is, I think it's like a form of karma. We're gonna fix this with technology. And they created a equalizer that just checkmated the whole game, sending money overseas or something. To be able to do that peer-to-peer and not have no middleman with a fee and with a policy. It's just a direct transaction that's, regulated by a public ledger. That's a big innovation if you understand, like banking. It's like what the internet was in like the early 90s. And think about what that turned into and all the billion-dollar businesses that was built off of that. That's like what the cryptocurrency, blockchain opportunity is similar to.